Hello guys and good afternoon. So today's video I'll be showing to you how to remove this wing mirror cap cover of any of the following Land Rover, Range Rover, Evoque, Evoque L538, Evoque L551, the new Range Rover Velar, at the same time with the Discovery Sports. Okay, just to let you know, because every time I remove the mirror cap cover, it doesn't matter if I remove it from the top first or from here. The fixing clips that always get break is the one that is from here, that it's holding from this side. Okay, so the model I mentioned earlier, in terms of the mirror glass, mirror motor, the cap cover, underneath cover, and this LED indicator, they are interchangeable. It means that when you fit this indicator to either Discovery Sports or Velar, it will fit, it will work. Okay, so one way how to remove the cover is I'll turn this way, and then from here I have already a clear access how to remove this cover with avoiding these two fixing clips that retains the cover on the bottom. It is very simple, so all you need to do is just to use a flat screwdriver or a tools just like this. Okay, so I'll be using these tools. So now I'll insert it. So when you start to insert this flat trim remover, just be very gentle, because for the first time when you remove the cover, it's not going to be as easy as the one that I'm showing to you guys. It's just a sample how to do it and some precautions. So what I'm doing is I'm inserting these tools. At the same time I'm trying to shake it until it gets in, and then that's it, it pops up. So you may see. Okay, so this is the actual look like when we remove the glass. I remove the glass off the camera because obviously I'll be needing two of my hands. I'll be taking a video as well how to remove the mirror glass separate from this video the proper way without breaking any clips or breaking the glass itself. So from here, as we can see, that's the double fixing clips that it retains the cover to the bezel, as well as this one, and then the last is this one. So obviously to release them from the bezel, what's normally happening is the design has got this small cover that is holding these two clips to remain clipped to the bezel, because obviously when you drive, it vibrates. So if it vibrates, it will come out the mirror cover. So now we need to take this out and then gently release these two clips from the bezel, and there you go, it came out. Because I've done removing this side as well, and then I push this back, so that's how it came out. So you just need to be very careful, because the cover has got the clips in here, that side, this side, and then this one that is attached to the top bezel. So the clips that is always getting break is this one. There's no way for me how to show you not to get this clip broken, because I haven't found out the way yet. Okay, so this is the special video on how to remove the glass from the motor. I removed already the motor just to show you clearly how you can remove it, because sometimes what happens is people intend to do it just this is the whole glass, and then do it like that, and then they put their finger inside and then gently take it out. So what sometimes happen is the glass sometimes it get break, or sometimes if your fingers is big, there's no way to get inside. Sometimes it's impossible. So the video that I'm showing to you is exactly the same place, just like here. So this glass is sitting just like this, sitting to the motor just like that. So what I'm trying to do now is that to show you the way when using the flat screw to remove the glass from the motor. So what I would do, I mean the way I do it is this way. So I get a flat screw just like this. So we can see from this side there's a clip, as well as from this side. So it's a 4-side clip where it's allowing you to use within this size of flat screw to get inside. And then what's going to happen is that when you try to insert it as well as you twist it back and forth, by then it should release the motor from the glass. So I'll show it to you how it works. So now I'm inserting the flat screw to the motor, between the motor and then the glass. So I'm doing is, now it came out, so we just now it released from the other side, and then continue until it released just like that. So I'm showing. Okay, so how are you going to apply the process removing the glasses from the motor that is already out from the previous video? This is how I'm going to take it out. So first we adjust the mirror glass, we push it back in until we have a access just like that. So now, as I told you, the mirror glass is just like this. So the motor sits down just like that. So either from the bottom or from the top or from the bottom, you release it using the flat screw, it should come out somehow. And by then you can gently squeeze it out, gently shake it until it releases either this side clips that is holding. So first I'll be taking this out. So this is where from this point there's a clip here, there's a clip there, another one, and then another one on the top. So what I'm doing is just inserting this flat screw, and then gently until I reach the motor clips that it holds the glass, and gently turn it like that. So by then it should come out. Oh yeah, that's the one. It's already out. So from here, well, you can. It's sensible now that you use your finger to remove it. But if it's still not, you can still continue to push it until it's completely released. By then, just take it like that, and there you go. Without damaging, without breaking your plates.